But if you want to thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
सारी चीजें
अरे
करनी
बीच
पड़ती
में कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है, और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई?
सलमान खान और रश्मिका मंदाना स्टारर फिल्म सिकंदर का ट्रेलर रविवार को जारी कर दिया गया। इस दौरान फिल्म की कास्ट के साथ में प्रसिद्ध लेखक सलीम खान भी मौजूद थे। सलमान खान ने बताया कि यह पहला मौका है जब उनके पिता सलीम खान उनकी किसी फिल्म के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर आए, क्योंकि वो देखना चाहते थे कि मीडिया मुझे कैसे ट्रीट करती है। सलमान खान ने इस दौरान फिल्म की रिलीज को एक्टर रश्मिका मंदाना सहित कुछ कई पहलुओं पर अपनी बात रखी। सिकंदर का ट्रेलर लॉन्च के मौके पर सलमान खान ने यह भी बताया कि उन्हें सिकंदर का पूरा ट्रेलर पसंद आया। वो काफ़ी एंगेजिंग और एंटरटेनिंग है, लेकिन सेकंड हाफ उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया। खासकर लग जा गले गीत वाला हिस्सा ट्रेलर में उनके दिल को छू गया। इसके साथ ही सलमान खान ने यह भी कहा कि मुझे हमेशा ही सभी से प्यार मिला है। मेरी फिल्मों में जो फेस्टिवल आती है वो भी प्यार ही है, फिर चाहे ईद हो या दिवाली हो या फिर न्यू ईयर। दर्शकों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मेरी फिल्म अच्छी हो या बुरी 100 करोड़ पहुंचा ही देते हैं। अभी तो 200 करोड़ तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। अभिनेता सलमान खान के बारे में ये प्रचलित है कि वो सुबह से शूटिंग करने से कतराते हैं, लेकिन अपनी आगामी फिल्म को तैयार करने के लिए, फिल्म सिकंदर के लिए उन्होंने सुबह भी शूटिंग की। और फिल्म के ट्रेलर लॉन्च में सलमान खान ने खुद इस बात का खुलासा करते हुए बताया कि निर्देशक मुरुगदौस ने उन्हें बहुत पुश किया। सिर्फ एक्शन दृश्य ही नहीं, बल्कि आमतौर पर तड़के सुबह शूटिंग करने को वो ज़्यादातर मना ही करते रहे, लेकिन सिकंदर के लिए उन्होंने ये भी किया। सुबह 7 बजे से लेकर रात के 9 बजे तक उन्होंने शूटिंग की है। 14 घंटे का शूटिंग शेड्यूल उन्होंने लगातार किया है। ख़ास बात ये भी है कि इस दौरान उनकी पसली में चोट भी लग गई थी, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने शूटिंग जारी रखी। सलमान खान बताते हैं कि इतने साल का अनुभव और उत्साह उन्हें टफ सिचुएशन में भी काम करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करता है। सिकंदर के टीजर लॉन्च के बाद रश्मिका मंदाना और सलमान खान के बीच 31 सालों का एज गैप वाली बात भी चर्चा में आई। सोशल मीडिया पर सलमान खान ट्रोलिंग का भी शिकार हुए। फिल्म के ट्रेलर लॉन्च में होस्ट ने जब सलमान खान की क्लीन शेव लुक की तारीफ की तो सलमान खान ने कहा कि बीच में ऐसा हो जाता है कि 6-7 रातों तक सो नहीं पाते, तो फिर लुक में थोड़ा बदलाव दिखने लगता है। तो फिर ये सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, फिर बताना पड़ता है अभी भी मैं हूँ। लोग बोलते हैं कि हीरोइन से 31 साल बड़ा है। अरे जब हीरोइन को परेशानी नहीं है, उनके पापा को नहीं है, तो आपको क्यों है? इनकी शादी होगी, बच्ची होगी, इनकी बच्ची के साथ भी काम करूँगा, मम्मी की परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगी। फिल्म सिकंदर में सलमान खान और रश्मिका की जोड़ी पहली बार पर्दे पर बनी। सलमान खान ने सिकंदर के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर बताया कि वो रश्मिका के समर्पण के मुरीद बन गए हैं। पुष्पा 2 की शूटिंग उन्होंने सिकंदर के साथ पूरी की। पुष्पा 2 के सेट पर से वो सुबह 7 बजे आती थी और सिकंदर की यूनिट को सुबह 9 बजे ज्वाइन कर लेती थी। इसी बीच उनके एक पैर की हड्डी भी टूट गई थी, लेकिन उन्होंने एक भी दिन शूटिंग कैंसिल नहीं की। रश्मिका मुझे मेरे युवा दिनों की याद दिलाती है। सिकंदर के निर्देशन में AR मुरुगदौस का नाम भी जुड़ा। फिल्म के ट्रेलर लॉन्च में सलमान खान ने के साथ पहली मुलाकात को याद करते हुए बताते हैं कि सालों पहले जब मैं निर्देशक नहीं था, उनसे पहले की बात है, मैं एक सेट पर गया, वहाँ शूटिंग चल रही थी। सुबह अंधेरा था, मैंने देखा श्रीदेवी है। मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं रहा। मैंने हीरो को पीछे से देखा, वह बालों में कंघी कर रहा था। बहुत ही मुश्किल से देख पाया तो मालूम हुआ कि सलमान सर हैं। मैं उनसे मिलने के लिए आगे बढ़ा ही था कि सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ने मुझे रोक दिया। उसने मुझे सलमान सर से मिलने नहीं दिया। उस दिन मैंने तय किया था कि इस एक्टर को निर्देशित करूंगा। आखिरकार इतने साल बाद मेरा सपना सिकंदर फिल्म से पूरा हो रहा है। निर्देशक मुरुगदौस की इस बात को सुनने के बाद सलमान खान ने कहा, बताओ, लोग इंडस्ट्रीज में नेपोटिज्म को इल्ज़ाम देते हैं। फिल्म सिकंदर में खलनायक की भूमिका बाहुबली फेम कटप्पा यानी कि सत्यराज उसमें नजर आने वाले हैं। फिल्म के ट्रेलर लॉन्च का हिस्सा भी वो बने हैं। सत्यराज ने बताया कि इस ट्रेलर लॉन्च इवेंट की सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि वह द ग्रेट सलीम खान से मिले। सत्यराज ने बताया कि सलमान ने सलीम साहब से उन्हें यह कहते हुए मिलवाया कि पापा ये कटप्पा है। मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि सलीम जावेद की स्क्रिप्ट ने बहुत लोगों को हीरो बनाया है। सलमान खान के साथ काम करने से ज़्यादा सलीम खान साहब से मिलना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा मौका है। और ये जितने भी आप फ़ोटो और वीडियो और जितने भी आप देख रहे हैं, ये उसी इवेंट के दौरान के हैं जब सलमान खान ट्रेलर लॉन्च के मौके पर पहुंचे थे और क्लीन शेव के अंदर पहुंचे थे। उन्होंने सारे पत्रकारों के बड़े अच्छे और बड़े खुश होकर जवाब दिए, कईयों के तो बड़े मजाकिया अंदाज के अंदर भी जवाब दिए। हम आपको बिल्कुल सुनाएंगे, आप देखते रहिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए।
सर
But if you want thank you right now, we can arrange that also.
सारी चीजें
अरे
करनी
बीच
पड़ती है।
में कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है। और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? पिक्चर अच्छी हो बुरी हो, वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं।
200 सर, 3-4 दिन में 200। नाउ फर्स्ट रिएक्शन।
200 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी। पिक्चर अच्छी हो बुरी हो, वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं।
200 सर, 3-4 दिन में 200। नाउ फर्स्ट रिएक्शन।
200 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी।
Yeah.
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murgados and Sajid Nadiadwala and Rashmika Mandana, so I am doing this film. And now श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का। मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी। And Sajid Nadiadwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record. I am fine with it.
You know, लोग बोलते हैं कि ईद has become synonymous with you forever. जब एक आध गैप आ जाता है, so वो लगता है कि fill in the blanks क्यों?
Eid, Diwali, New Year, festive, non-festive.
Right.
It's the love of the people.
Yeah.
And
Well, so big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes, you know, we were actually discussing this. Salman sir, you're looking fantastic first. Can I just say this?
Thank you,
And
thank
you
you.
put all of us to shame also. हर बारी वापस जाके बहुत सारी चीजें
अरे
करनी
बीच
पड़ती
में कभी कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है। और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सभी काम करेंगे ना, मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना?
Murugadas sir,
Thank you.
just
The hero backside is coming. Make you whistle when you watch the film. Salman sir will make you whistle. He will make you cry when you watch the film. So definitely you will enjoy the
As long
film.
as Salman sir does not make Murgados and Sajid Nadiadwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record, I am fine with it.
I think all that is quite simple and very sorted out. जिस तरह हमने देख लिया. Let's go to that lady over there in the red. You know, when we were chatting, everything looks fantastic. You know, when you come on stage, there's an aura of a gentleman, and it's happened to so many people. I've had people that just don't suddenly just stop speaking in front of Salman sir. You're in a film which is there, which is going to be larger than life. You're going to walk away. No matter what you do, 200, 300, 400, 500 ऐसे बन जाएंगे. Have you thought about those things? And now that the trailer has been seen by everyone, which is the first time you also saw it, how are you feeling?
I'm overwhelmed. I'm so excited. So excited to see all of you all here, and thank you for coming. Working with Salman sir, like you said, there was one scene that I did with him. I can't say much about the film, so I'm not going to get into that. But after every take, I said, Salman sir, sorry. Salman sir, sorry. I don't mean it. I'm sorry.
Were you hitting him?
Huh?
Were you?
Now, all that, I don't know what I was doing. But at least 5 times, I must have joined my hand and said, Salman sir, I don't mean it.
But after that, like, now that you've seen it, have you got that impression of being able to say that, wow, this is there and then hardly a week to go? The butterflies must be through your head right now.
I'm very excited. Yeah. It's literally my second film, and I got the chance to work with Salman sir, Sajid sir, Murgados sir. It's very special. And when it's a Salman sir film, the guaranteed box office that's there.
Yeah, your box office
Yeah,
record.
so
प्रेशर
excited.
मत डालो भाई.
Sir, मैंने मुरुगदास सर पे तो 0 का प्रेशर डाल दिया. 100,000 बोल दिया. So we already crossed that. Kajal, you've been so fantastic over the years, in various industries as well. Earlier there was a time, where it would be completely different. Things have become so similar now. It's almost like, you know, you walk in from here into that industry as well. But just being part of a large magnum opus, does it still excite you as much when you see yourself on screen?
Good evening, everyone. Of course, it will, I think it is just extremely exciting. It is extremely humbling to be a part of a phenomenal star cast, to be a part of such a huge film. And I don't think it's the number of films you do. I think that excitement will just always remain. And this I can say for everyone as well. I mean, all of us watched the trailer for the first time today, and we were all hooting and whistling and clapping. So,
Were you critically looking at it and said, that's a good shot that they put in the trailer there? Were you saying
I
that?
have this very bad habit. I'm always critically looking.
But it's okay. But you're looking fantastic. And Satyaraj sir, it's so happy and so humbling to have you on stage as well, sir. Like I said, sometimes when we keep on saying forever, next 20 years also we'll keep saying Bahubali and Katappa, sir. So how do you deal with that right now? Wherever you go over here, they'll say that only. How do you deal with that?
Good evening, everybody. First thing, the happiest thing today happened for me, that is I met Salim ji. And Saab introduced me, Papa, Katappa. I'm very happy because though when I was studying in college and school days, Salim Javed Saab's script made so many heroes. So this is a great opportunity. More than acting with Salman ji, it's a great opportunity to meet Salim ji. That's my... And after watching this trailer, this is amazing, amazing. Murugadoss sir, thank you very much. Because sir, I am in the field for the past 47 years and nearly I did 250
So once I say it slowly. You're not 47 years old. You're in the field for
the
47
field,
years.
47.
So can we have a big round of applause for that? I don't know too many people that can say that record and still.
He started when he was 3 years old.
And I started my career as a very sarcastic villain. After that, by opportunity, I became a hero. I did nearly 100 films as hero. For example, Hukumat Dharmendra Ji's. I did Dharmendra Ji's character. And in Agnipath in Tamil, I did Amitabh Ji's character. And of course, Three Idiots, Bommanerani Sah's character I did in Tamil. So all varieties. But that sarcastic villain, I lost myself. So Murugadoss sir brings back the most sarcastic villain. That's a trendset at that time. That is 40, 42 years before. I really enjoyed this film working in that style of character. Again, I am seeing me only. And of course, working with Salman ji is very, very, very comfortable because without knowing the language, acting with such a great person is very...
They say so much about him. I know. He's loved everywhere.
But I don't have any combination with... Oh, Solriya Mama. We worked together in Brahmotsavam in many films. Yeah. So, and of course, the great producer and the very big production house. I really stunned off watching this trailer. So thank you for giving me the opportunity. Producer sir, Salman ji, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're so incredibly humble. There were so many wows when you were saying.
Okay, firstly, hi guys, how are you? All good? Y'all ate? Yeah. See, I got Salman sir to do it. All well? Huh? What?
Do that again.
Oh, here. So do na. Huh. This is
And that's your
our hearts to
shot.
you. We should get everyone to do it.
Now the paps are happy. It works. We'll do that in the end. वो ऐसा photo करेंगे. Yes, but yeah.
Hi guys, so sorry. Thank you so much for coming here. Always very nerve-wracking, but at the same time super special that I get to meet all of you personally. So for the question that you asked me, and what did you ask me again?
Just the last 2 years of the run, are you just every Friday everyone's nervous and you're walking with 500 CR each time, not 50.
Listen, that is not on us. That is the incredible directors and the actors that I got this opportunity to do films with. I feel like all the credit goes to them because if I had any sort of power over it, then of course my entire career would have been so different. So this is the amazing, like the visions of the directors, the story writing, the editors, the storytellers, everyone. It's a combination of a work, right? And today here we are with Sikandar, and you guys have just watched the trailer, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch the film, and I hope you like it. I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in, what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, like, I entered the industry like 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry. But watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, like, I think for this film is the first time sir called me, and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other, and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started, but it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, like with the scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that, but I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, so beautiful, so I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
And so are you.
Thank you.
It's worked so wonderfully well, you know, and congratulations on this. And have you walked in and said, perfect, there are only 5 days to go now?
Yeah,
Are you fully satisfied now?
Yeah,
Any
fully
more cuts
satisfied.
left? No.
Yeah. Hero introduction, interval black, climax, all high points I like.
5 days shooting still left.
So I want to share a few words about my producer. He's not only producer, he's a creative guy. So he's a director himself. He's a writer, and he has
ये
very
एक
good.
दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं.
He has what sir?
I have done this film because my fans wanted me to work with Murugadoss and Sajid Nadiadwala and Rashmika Mandana. So I am doing this film. And now, श्रेय इनको जाता है पिक्चर की सक्सेस का. मैं आता था लेट, काम करके जाता था जल्दी. Continue now. Continue.
So Salman sir, you understood that part. He said, I've done this film for you all.
Yeah. That
I used to come in late and I used to leave early. They used to do all the work. That's what Salman sir said.
So, sir, my producer has very
Oh,
good.
यार 7 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक शूटिंग कराता था आदमी. पसली टूटी है, ये हो गया वो. No, one last shot, sir. 3 shots left, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sajid sir has very good music sense also. So I thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the great opportunity. I want to thank your grandfather also.
Not now. You can thank him a few years later. But if you want to thank him right now, we can arrange that also.
You didn't think best part that you liked about the trailer that you're watching right now? You watched it in totality. We saw it twice. What did you like the most?
The best part I liked of the trailer was like the whole trailer, but the second half of the trailer was amazing with that. Humko mili.
I would love to make her sing that again, but it was fine. Will you sing it, sir? Who knows? You know the full song?
घड़ियां नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए. फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो. रात नहीं, रात.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is, I think, just an incredible family atmosphere also that's happened there. Salman sir, who was the most surprising performance in all the cast? You know, who really surprised you when you saw
See,
it?
I think all of them are fantastic, and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2, and we were there, and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning, and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2. And she was not well as well. And then, after she breaking her leg, she still shot with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me. Yeah.
You had broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming.
But you had a very tough time as well also. You know, it's a lot of the times when you have an action hero image
Hey,
also.
when the going gets tough, the tough get going.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was fantastic. We'll do a little photo op also. Well, taliyan ho jaye for this entire star cast. We'll take all the mics.